This video shows how to use the course analytics tool and students in need of attention to contact students who have not yet participated. In this example, this is a 4-week course. It began Monday. Today is Thursday, and I would like to identify the students who have not yet participated and let them know that they are at risk of being removed from the course. From the course navigation menu, I select Course Analytics. And then on the needs attention, the first thing I want to do is check the edit criteria. By selecting the last participation date, I am selecting the last date that the students engaged in material inside Canvas. So logging in is not good enough. They must either post a discussion or submit an assignment or take a quiz. The course officially started 3 days ago and has been open for 5. So by filtering for students who have not participated in at least 7 days, I will for sure get students who have not yet done work in the course. But before I select the Message Students button to write these students a message, I scroll through the list and I notice that there is one student who has already been concluded. That student does not need to receive this message. So when I select the button to Message Students, I then select the link to open up the list of recipients, and I deselect the student who has been concluded. Then I can write a message and send that to those students. By default, messages are emailed to Canvas users, and the course name is appended to the subject line for the email.